Hi everyone. First of all, I want to thank you for taking the time out of your day and getting this far in the speech recording process. The purpose of this video is to explain how to use our data collection system. On the next screen, you will be asked to make a choice between providing audio-only data or video data, both audio and visual data. It is important for you to understand that if you select the video data, only the audio portion will be shared publicly. The visual portion will be securely retained by the Center for Cognitive Ubiquitous Computing, also known as CUBIC, at Arizona State University. Once you've made your selection, you will be taken to the main recording page. So for this case, I'm going to select audio. This is a very important step. You'll see this box pop up that says cubicvoice.com wants to use your microphone. It's really important here that you click allow so that we are able to record from your microphone and record the speech samples. So I'm going to go ahead and click allow. Okay, and then you will see this big gray box, and you'll see this prompt that says speak the text shown below. So in order to record my first speech sample, I'm going to go ahead and click this red button, and then I'm going to read the prompt aloud. So 9. And then once you're done, you click that red button again, and you'll be given the option to either proceed to the next recording, you can review the recording, or you can re-record. So for example, I wanted to see how that sounded. I'm going to press review. 9. And you can hear it play there. So say I wasn't happy with that and I wanted to re-record the recording, I would go ahead and click on the re-record button, and it would take me back here for me to go ahead and tap 9, tap again, and then I can review it again and see if I'm happier. And I'm happy with that, so I'm going to go ahead and move on to the next section. So this is the second kind of prompt that we will see. You'll see this box that pops up to remind you that this is not just a red prompt, this is going to be a timed prompt. So I'm going to go ahead and press OK. So you'll see this prompt, this case it's a vowel. You'll see this big yellow box over here that has a 5 in it. This is your countdown box. So we're going to ask that you hold a prolonged vowel for 5 seconds. So for example, once I press this red button, this countdown will start going, and I should hold this vowel until this countdown gets to 0. So let me go ahead and start. Ooh. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and click next. I trust that recorded well. I don't want to review or re-record. I'm going to go to the next one. So this is another kind of prompt. You'll see these different phonemes here. When you see a prompt like this, we're going to ask that you repeat this, this phrase as many times as you can in 5 seconds. So let me demonstrate for you. So I'm going to go ahead and click this record button and show you what to do. Pataka, 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 pataka. Okay. So this is the third kind of prompt that we're looking for, and this is an image. So when you see an image pop up, we ask that you use 2 to 3 sentences to describe the image that you see. It can be whatever you want. So for example, in this case, the image is of a fire escape map. It shows with a red dot where you are located in the building, and then a red dotted line and a blue dotted line for the primary and secondary exit routes. Okay, and that's it. Those are the 3 different kinds of recordings you will see. Recording process, and we really appreciate you taking the time out of your day to record this.